This steak is crusted, juicy, and dripping with garlic butter, and it only takes one pan. Today, I'm going to be walking you through how to get that golden crust and buttery flavor at home. Trust me, no stress, no grill, just the flavor. Let's dive in. I'm using the sirloin for this. It's lean, flavorful, and cooks beautifully. But honestly, any good cut will work. Then comes our kosher salt, our garlic, our butter, and a touch of rosemary. That's all you need to get that big flavor. I like to rub a little bit of oil first because it helps the seasoning stick. Then I go in with my salt and pepper, and make sure to get the sides too because the flavor shouldn't miss any corner. Let the steak rest at room temperature for about 20 minutes. That helps it cook more evenly and develops a better crust. Now for the eat, get your cast iron pan screaming hot, hot. I added just a little oil to help that crust form. Lay the steak down and let it sear. No flipping, no pressure, just let it eat do the work. That first sizzle, that's the sound of flavor loading. After a few minutes, it's time to flip. Look at that crust, that's what we're here for. Now drop some butter, some mashed garlic, and a little rosemary, and tilt the pan and start basting. Make sure you spoon that flavor right back on top of the steak. I generally like my steak medium well, tender with some juice, but here's a quick look at the doneness level so you can cook it exactly how you like it. Just look at that beauty. Sizzling, glossy, that's flavor in real time. Once it's off the heat, just let it rest. Don't rush it. That's how the juice stays where they belong. Give it a few minutes and trust me, it's worth it. Do this dance while you wait. Just kidding. Now we slice, always across the grain. That sound, that texture, juicy inside, crusted outside, that's exactly how I like it. Tell me if this isn't the kind of steak that makes you forget the menu. Simple, bold, and no stress, just flavor. If you enjoy this, hit the like button, drop a comment, and consider subscribing. We keep it flavorful around here. Let me know in the comments if you will be giving this a try and how it turned out. Thanks for watching.